afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
I'm Sanjeev from WEECE Media. We are a global company and we are into events, exhibitions, meetings and conferences. And our expertise is basically in all these fields. And today we are at the CPHI event and we are glad to meet you. And as part of our activity here, we would like to seek some inputs from you and as to how this has all been there, your journey to it. And that's how we would like to proceed. Can you please let us know about yourself and your organization and the journey so far?
Definitely. So thank you Mr. Sanjeev and the WEECE Media for being here and for organizing this event for us. We are very happy for it, and CPHI, we are presenting CPHI India for the first time here, and we are a 4-year-old company. SAMARTH Biorigins is a nutraceutical company, and our specialty is liposomes. So we specialize in liposomes, we manufacture liposomes. So SAMARTH Biorigins is a part of SAMARTH Life Sciences, a big conglomerate which has the pharma, biological facilities. There are multiple facilities which SAMARTH group as a whole has, and our facility as nutraceutical, we are based out of Karnataka, that is near Tumkur. There is an industrial area, so we are based out of Tumkur, and we have a R&D and manufacturing capabilities there. So our products are mainly into nutraceutical, and our forte is how do we improve the current nutraceutical ingredients into much bioavailable forms, much safer forms, so that whatever FSSAI has prescribed, the limits, so especially some of the vitamins are overused because their availability in the body becomes very less. So with liposomes as a technology, the bioavailability of the ingredients enhances multiple times, carrying a natural protection around it. So liposomes are basically a vesicle, a bubble, which covers the ingredients using natural lecithin from sunflower or lecithin from soya. So the liposomes are created, and the ingredients are blended into it, and the proper encapsulation is something that we achieve. So if you want to know how exactly you classify into liposomes, it is a very well characterized area where the particle size, the electron images of the liposomes, and then most importantly the encapsulation efficiency, how well the lipid is encapsulated the active to make it a liposome. Those are the critical parameters. Then comes the bioavailability profile. So how much more has it improved compared to its plain counterpart becomes the next important thing. So these are the most important thing for us to characterize the liposomes, and we follow all these steps that is required to characterize a liposome, because basically we are a pharma platform, so we do that step-by-step analysis and like a detailed lab analysis followed by animal studies and the clinical trials. So to characterize, the same we follow with Nutra. Though Nutra has a little lenient regulatory clearances, but still we follow all the detailed analysis to prove this is the right and the best liposomes available.
So ideally you have a strong quality control team that is there doing this activity.
Definitely. Our QC, the R&D is very strong, and we believe that having evidences for them will give us more confidence in convincing the people. Otherwise, I am basically from the medical background. I'm basically a doctor by profession. So if I have to tell something that this is better bioavailable, I need to be sure of myself first. That becomes very important criteria for me, and that's why we undergo a series of tests to prove that they are really quality and worth the standard that we speak of. So this is about liposomes, and these are our products. So we actually started with lactoferrin, a very wonderful natural protein present in our body, and during COVID we perceived that this could be a very good solution for the inflammation and immunity problem. That's where we started with lactoferrin, and being a protein we wanted to protect it to reach its target site, that is the intestine, because lactoferrin specific receptors are present in the intestine, and it has to reach without getting degraded in the stomach and the gut and the mouth. So that's where we started liposomal platform. Then we've started with glutathione, vitamin C, curcumin, coenzyme Q10, and we have ions and like the mineral forms, iron. Slowly we're getting into calcium, magnesium, and the other essential nutraceutical ingredients we're bringing into this platform.
So the idea is now these ingredients that you're doing, liposomes and all, this is now integrated into the various medicines that are being subscribed to the patients, or is it a direct product which the individual can purchase and use it?
Yes, we are into 3 verticals. So all these are nutraceutical basis, basically. So it is governed by FSSAI as the regulatory authority. So all this goes under the nutrition and the supplement category of that we take, medicines that we take. It is prescribed by doctors. Nutraceutical is definitely prescribed by doctors because these are iron supplement, vitamin supplement, definitely they are prescribed by doctors. So it goes through the prescription route, it goes through the online because they are also part of OTC and as well as the online purchases also. It's easy for nutraceutical, so it goes in all these segments. And we deal with 3 categories. Our business strategy is like in a 3 variety. One is we are basically bulk manufacturers, so we make bulk liposomal powders, dry powders, and we give it to the B2B segment to further formulate it. So that is one. The second important thing is we also make formulations. We've brought in unique formulations, as in unique combinations and mouth melt powders. So we have capsules, we have mouth melt sachets, which can directly be consumed. So it's very quick absorption.
And this is all under prescription?
No, these are all not under prescription. This can also be taken as OTC.
Off the shelf?
Yeah, and can also be done online purchases. So our brands are also available online. The LipoDuo technology, what happens is it is a combination of 2 technologies. One is the liposome formation itself, because that happens in a solution media. It's an emulsion. It's done in the liquid medium. So once the liposomes are formed, then they are dried using a freeze drying technique. So we do not apply heat here because vitamins and other nutrients are very sensitive to heat. So we want to kind of freeze it to dry it. So we use lyophilization as a drying method. So that's how this technology becomes very superior. And the encapsulation and as well as the potency and the structure that we've created in the liquid form remains intact.
Okay.
So with this freeze drying process, so that's how this we perceive this technology to be much superior than the other competitors that are available. So first is the process and second is the encapsulation. So these are the 2 differentiating factors that we've created in our liposomes. So companies looking for blends and they want their ingredients to be converted to liposomes, we also offer that platform.
Perfectly fine.
Yeah.
Now these sachets that you are selling off the shelves, do they have any side effects or anything like that?
No, I don't see any side effects because
people continue to take it as their daily bread and butter. So that's the reason I was asking you. Okay, people continue taking morning Valeria every day and kinds of stuff. So
definitely, it's more like a supplement for their daily routine.
Perfect.
So all these are vitamins and
they can continue taking it.
Yeah, it's the essential vitamins and nutrients required for the body, and all these are FSSAI regulated. So basically, they're food. So whatever it is.
Understood.
Yeah, it is food. So these are much better form of available supplements that is there for them. So there are no side effects, and they are generally regarded as say the GRAS category even in the US and EU regulations, and in FSSAI too.
So the masses can be rest assured that they can continue
Yes.
using those products.
Yes, and all of
there
them
will
are
be no
very
side
safe,
effects.
and with
Fine.
liposomes, it also becomes much gentle to the body.
It brings
So-
confidence to the end users.
Yes, and
That's fine.
with our formulations, the taste is also very good, so they can nourish and cherish while taking that.
That's good. Thanks. Thank you so much for your time, and we wish you and your team all the very best. And let's see how fast these products can actually bring quality life amongst the individuals, and you can take these supplements and lead a very peaceful and healthy life.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
so
very
much.